We really feel we've got a compelling investment thesis, a lot of growth in front of us, and we got the team to deliver on it.
Nicole, you've completed some major strategic initiatives over the last 2 years. Can you walk us through where you started and where you are today?
So MDU Resources is actually celebrating its 100th anniversary this year. Actually, in March, we celebrated 100 years. And any company that has been around for 100 years certainly has learned to change and evolve. And as we think about our company, we really were two separate platforms. We were a construction platform and we were a regulated energy delivery platform. And as we looked at our performance over time, the companies were financially performing very well. But what we came to the conclusion of is we were really going to be able to unlock some value if we separated the businesses. So we embarked on our first spin, which was the spin of Knife River Corporation. And we completed that last year. And that was our kind of rock to road business, aggregate business that we spun last year. And then this year, we were focused on spinning our construction services business, which we rebranded to Everest. So following the spin of two businesses in 2 years, we have arrived at our final state, which is a pure play regulated energy delivery business. So when we embarked on this endeavor, that was really our goal, was to get to a pure play regulated energy delivery business. And we have gotten there on the backs of a lot of heavy lifting from our employee base, and very proud of the team, very proud of the execution, really proud of the shareholder value that was created along the way. So plenty of growth opportunities in front of us as a pure play regulated business, but excited to have arrived.
And what data center opportunities does your business have?
We have currently been serving a data center, which is primarily focused on crypto, 180 megawatts within our service territory today. We do serve data centers a little bit uniquely as you compare us maybe to others within the industry. And so we're really a minimal investment, but we get an incremental margin off the transmission service that we provide to the data center. And so when we think about what that means for our shareholders, it means really immediate ROE accretion. So it's good for the business that we have limited investment but get a margin on that. But it's also really good for our customers. So when we think about the customer benefit here, they are sharing a piece of that margin, and they are also getting a lower cost of transmission. So opportunities ahead certainly are significant. As we look at, we're serving the 180 today. We have an additional amount of ESAs in line. So in total, we have signed ESAs for 580 megawatts, which is quite substantial when you look at our overall system in total. So we're serving them in a congested area within our system, which means we're not building incremental generation. So it's been a great opportunity, and look forward to the future there in that area for sure.
And Nicole, what is your message to investors about MDU Resources?
Today, as I mentioned, we have arrived at our kind of future state here in terms of a pure play regulated energy delivery business. So when I say we've arrived, I also try to say, but we're only getting started, and we've got significant growth opportunities in front of us. We laid out our growth as a regulated energy delivery business back in March, and we talked about what is our compelling investment thesis. And we really see that there's a number of things to highlight. Really, we're starting in a position of strength from a balance sheet perspective. Very strong balance sheet, significant investment in front of us, and we've got the balance sheet to finance that investment growth. And that really is right now leading us to lead investors to a 6 to 8% EPS growth target over the long term. And when we look at kind of the companies within our peer set, we feel that that is a very compelling EPS growth target, 6 to 8%. Doing all that while targeting a dividend growth and a dividend payout at about 60 to 70% of our overall regulated earnings. So we really feel we've got a compelling investment thesis, a lot of growth in front of us, and we got the team to deliver on it. So very excited about our future.
Nicole, it's been wonderful to have you on Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me.
It's been great visiting with you. Thank you.